Well, Rookie, I want to do something special here for you. If you would please take this Amazon package here. Got a little surprise for you. Go ahead and cut it open. And so, as we unbox, this is a brand new book. It's called 101 Proven Ways to Increase Efficiency and Make More Money in Lawn Care. And when you write a book, at the beginning of the book, you dedicate it to somebody. And so, Rookie, I'd like you to crack this open and look at the dedication page. So I found Naylor on the YouTube back in the day, and he was truly a rookie. I was basically a rookie. It wasn't my first year, but I was a rookie. So I learned a lot from Naylor, watching his YouTube videos, and then becoming friends over the years. So I want you to go ahead and read the little dedication of the book, because it's to you, my friend.
Wow.
You go ahead and read it.
Wow. I didn't even know this was in here. Did anyone know this was in here?
Everyone who's read it.
Everyone's just read it, but it just came out, right?
And it's in the audio book as well. Mr. Producer voiceovered it. So.
Wow. So in the dedication, it says, I would like to dedicate this book to my friend Naylor Taliaferro. Years ago, I found The Lawn Care Rookie on YouTube. Although I was already a few years into my lawn care business at the time, I found the rookie's videos to be quite helpful. He honestly and vulnerably shared his experiences as he was in the early stages of building his lawn care business. I would often leave encouraging comments on his videos and thank him for sharing this information with the world. I remember those days. Side note. As time went by, Naylor eventually invited me to be a part of one of his private mastermind groups. That networking opportunity was life-changing, as I was able to get to chat daily with other successful business owners who helped elevate my business intelligence. Then in 2017 at the GIE Plus Expo, now the Equip Exposition, I was able to meet Naylor in real life. Our friendship continues to strengthen over the years, and I appreciate everything he does behind the scenes for the lawn care community. I dedicate this book to the lawn care rookie and hope the content herein will help transform businesses in a similar way to how Naylor's content positively impacted my business endeavors. Thank you for your friendship and all you do for the community. Wow, man, that's you're gonna get me all emotional, man. I'm not a huge emotional person, but that's something, man. I appreciate you and your friendship, Paul. I appreciate all your positive comments back in the day on my YouTube videos, and I appreciate you're always such an encouraging person. You're a positive person. We got the waterfalls in the background, cutting up the emotional moment, but that's good, man. I appreciate you, Paul, and you didn't have to do that. I'm pretty speechless. Thank you.
Cool. Well, it's really cool because I remember I was on a property for a football player one time. He played for the New England Patriots. He was retired, and I was out there with the 21-inch pusher mower. It's a huge property. You really needed probably a 36 because he had a gate that you would have needed to get in. But at a minimum, you needed like a 36-inch mower, and I didn't even have power equipment that was commercial. I was using residential stuff, and I was basically a glorified Chuck in the truck. And I remember the company next to me had a big white enclosed trailer and all the fancy, they had multiple mowers. They pull out a 60 and a 36 and all the bells and whistles. And they just snarky looked at me like, and they said something to Larry, who was working with me that day, making fun of me, like, man, when you want to come work with us? And it just hurt me because I was trying so hard. That's all I had. That's all I could afford. And I was duct taping my business together. And so when I found Naylor, he was like, hey, I'm a rookie. I'm trying to figure this out. So we kind of connected. And as your YouTube and Instagram and podcast has flourished and more and more people are listening to this podcast, I always want to remember those humble beginnings because there's folks out there that are sincerely looking for information to take their business to the next level. And that's what we want to provide is here's the X's and O's. And that's what this book's actually about is 101 proven ways to actually increase efficiency and make more money in lawn care. So I just thought it would be appropriate to dedicate it to you because you took it's humbling to be a rookie at something and be like, hey, I don't have it all figured out, but come along the journey with me. And what a journey it's been.
Yeah, I really appreciate it, Paul. I think we need to pause this podcast and move over there and look at what's happening, Paul.
Yeah.
You're
oh, man. Mr. Producer, we're going to kick it back to you in the ATL. We're going to relocate before they got cameras everywhere here before we
flood the place
out. From emotional here to move the podcast board. Excellence in broadcasting. We'll be right back.
Dude, oh my God. Oh my God. The whole place is flooding on the other side. Oh my my God.
Niagara Falls.
It's always something, Paul. What the heck did you do?
Niagara Falls.
He's trying to flood this place out over here. Like, he's trying to build a dam and overflow the beach house.
Oh, man.
Oh, God, just trying to make a podcast here. Let's move, Paul.
All my cables are getting wet.